This is Reptar. It's Labor Day. Becky's sweeping the bathroom floor. Where is he? Oh, there he is. He's out of view, so let him come back into the view. All I see is your broom.
I was just watching it.
Goodbye, Reptar.
Will you shake the rug?
Will I shake the rug?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll shake the rug.
It has 6, 5. It always looks like it has 6 fingers.
It does?
It looks like it has 6 fingers to me, but it doesn't.
No, just
It's just because the middle fingers are weird.
It's just longer.
It's weird.
You're weird.
You're weird.